Hey guys, just a quick update video. Lighting's a bit trash, so sorry about that. It's 12:15 in the morning on Monday. I really don't feel right. Something's wrong. I'm like weak all over, just out of nowhere, and I feel like I'm gonna be sick. So yeah, I've got my water bottle at hand, just lying in bed. I don't know if I'm like physically just drained and I have no energy left in my body, and that's what it is. To be fair, like every day I've been taking naps. Today I didn't take a nap, even though I was really tired in the afternoon. Like I was trying to, but I can't seem to get comfortable. I have to stay up like this. My head has to be elevated, but I just can't get comfortable. I'm used to sleeping on my side. Also, to let you guys know, the stitches have broken on both sides. I've seen that they're broken, but they're still there. So maybe in the next few days they'll probably end up coming out, and hopefully like in a little bit I'll start feeling a bit better. My mouth is really hurting and I really don't feel okay. Something's wrong, I just can't pinpoint what it is. We'll see you guys hopefully when we wake up. I'm gonna go to sleep, or try to. I really don't feel right. I woke Gurpreet up. So it's not been long since I filmed the update. Keeping Gurpreet awake, unfortunately. Just went and threw up twice. Definitely not feeling good, but wanted to just do an update because I think it's only fair you guys see the good and the bad. I feel disgusting. I'm gonna call my doctor tomorrow. It does say that if you feel sick, you need to call your doctor and speak to them. So I'm gonna speak to my doctor tomorrow and just let him know.
Show them the professional lighting we have.
It's just Gertrude's phone. He's holding it up to give us some light. Yeah, we're gonna try and get some sleep in.
I've got to be up in like 5-6 hours.
I ordered some stuff from Cult Beauty, so just in case you guys didn't know, we went to the toothpaste store in Swati. I got the Born This Way foundation in warm beige and the Born This Way concealer in natural beige. So obviously I wanted to get a few more things, so I had to go to the one and only Cult Beauty.
When did you order that?
Yesterday.
Last night?
Last night.
While we were at the cinema, or just before?
No, yesterday, during the day we ordered it, on the way to the cinema. So last night we actually went to watch
look at this.
Cold Pursuit.
Nice.
Yeah, last night went to go see Cold Pursuit.
It's dead. Don't watch it. Don't waste your time.
I liked it.
It's dead.
He obviously didn't. And then I came home and I threw up and stuff. So yeah, that was fun. But anyway.
I wonder what it is.
So yeah, I had to get the Hangover 3 in Hangover X
Got a hangover?
primer and the spray.
Tell them so they're straight.
Yeah.
Come on. Photography 101.
So I've never ordered from Cult Beauty before. This was my first order with Cult Beauty. Yeah, what they did was they gave me this mini Better Than Sex mascara, and I bought this as well. The
And they say men sexualize everything.
the NYX matte bronzer. I got it in deep tan. I don't know if this is going to be deep enough for me, but yeah, you get to pick like 2 little samples, and all the samples that were there, I basically just did a quick Google search, and these 2 were the ones that I picked. Bless you. Drunk Elephant, their Lala Retro Whipped Cream. What an idiot. And I got the Alpha H Vitamin B with copper tripeptide, if that's even how you pronounce it. Apparently this is really good at like minimizing your pores. Hey guys, it's like 1:42 in the morning. I can't sleep, so I'm just basically chilling downstairs watching One Day at a Time on my phone, trying to time myself out. To be fair, yesterday I did wake up at like 12 p.m, like really dead after throwing up and all of that the night before. So yeah, sleep was kind of trash. And then yesterday, like I just ended up having a lazy lie-in, which is clearly having a knock-on effect on today because wide awake and it's so bad. I so badly want to be tired and upstairs in bed, but it's just not happening. The reason why I'm downstairs is because I've got Gurpreet at home with me. Like, he's working from home tomorrow, so I need to make sure that he gets his sleep. But he's working from home because I do need him. I need his help with loads of things. I know I'm able to talk a lot more now, but throughout the day I get drained, like, and I have like these really weak bursts. It's like literally really randomly, like all my energy just goes and I'm dead. Hey guys, so it's 1:05 in the afternoon. Today is going to be just a chilled out day. We were supposed to do a few things today, but Gurpreet is working from home, so the only things we are going to be doing is resting and working on the car. So the work, I'm going to point out that the work that we're going to do on the car is going to be after 7 p.m. and what needs to be done on the car is actually a 5-minute job, so it's not going to be strenuous or anything like that. Just trying to relax as much as possible. Fats is on a night shift tomorrow and I think he has to go into the office to do that. Perfect. So he's working from home tomorrow. So tomorrow afternoon he'll wake up a bit early and we shall go about our day. And I think there's a couple of things we're doing tomorrow. So he's going to return his old car scanner because he bought a new one. Do all of that tomorrow. Hey guys, so we're basically rushing to Brixton at the moment, which is why you can't see my face, but basically we were eating chip wrap for dinner and one of the chips got stuck in between my sutures and it cut the sutures open when I flicked it out with my tongue. So yeah, it's like swelling inside my mouth and getting more and more discomforting and painful. So yeah, called 111. They've made us an emergency appointment at a dentist in Brixton. It's 5 minutes past 12 in the morning. So yeah, we're just rushing down there. The appointment is at 12:40. So like hoping and praying that we make it in time because I think that dentist shuts at 1. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on, but this is bad.
Are you gonna do it again next time? Even though when we were eating, I told her, be careful, don't chew on the sides, don't let anything get on the sides, just chew in them this part.
I was chewing far forward, like I was chewing like here, and one of the chips just, I don't know what happened, but it flew back, if that even makes sense, and it...
Chips don't fly, mate.
Whatever. Anyway, it like got lodged in there and then, I don't know what the hell happened in my mouth, but yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Doesn't help that these matey boys are doing like 15 miles an hour.
So yeah, sorry, I'm making faces because like, it's really painful, but...
And we were saying we can't, well, you can't really wait until the morning, because if it's fully swollen by the morning, because when you rest your body heals more anyway, if it's fully swollen by the morning, then they're not, if she goes tomorrow to the hospital, they won't be able to do anything. They'll have to wait for the swelling or somehow reduce the swelling, which would take a lot more time and it would just turn into a bigger thing. They'd have to reduce the swelling, wait for it to go down, stop any bleeding, then do what they need to. So to save all of that, we just thought we'd come now. Luckily to have an appointment, we should make it just in time, as long as the Blackwall Tunnel and all of that stuff aren't messing around, because it's south of the river.
Pray for us, even though you guys are gonna see this after we've already been and everything, but still pray for us. Hey small peoples, just basically doing some adult colouring in, you know. I'm just chilling out today, not doing anything, just being careful with what we put in our mouths as food so we don't cut open our stitches again.
Provisionally, basically you're going to get the car remapped.
Provisional, like my license.
I was going to get the car remapped at Tuning Works in Croydon. Tomorrow morning, after my night shift, I was going to sleep a few hours and then we were going to go if someone cancelled, but they didn't. So we are booked in for Monday morning now. I'm going to go see my grandparents on Sunday and yeah. So I'm working tonight, my last shift from home, because someone starts throwing up antibiotics and then she goes and rips her stitches open. So it's good I'm home, innit? So yeah, I'm just going to be working tonight. Just chilling. We cleared the room yesterday. There's tons of paperwork we threw away. We're going to have another fire.
Look how clean it is. Wait, let me show. Tell them how clean it is. Look. Clean.
All of the all three of these drawers
Clean.
were rammed, like you couldn't even open it.
Open the third
That's
one.
how bad it was.
Clean. Hey flum blums. My jam jams. Oops. Basically, it's Saturday and we're going to see Gurpreet's mum and dad. I think they're having dinner right there tonight. I washed my hair, got it tied up in like a loose bun so it's out of my face. And that's it really. He's outside warming the car up. I'm just gonna grab a bottle of ice. I'm probably not gonna record at his mum and dad's because they're very private people. Like they don't want to be on YouTube and stuff like that. They were okay to be on YouTube for the Laurie celebrations. So we're at my mother-in-law's and this one froze up. We just had to clean it. She's run away. Close the door. Close the door. She's in trouble. Naughty. What did you do? What did you do, Cato? Naughty. Oh, she's looking down like she's in trouble. That wasn't nice, was it? So today we're going to be running around doing a whole bunch of things, like running in between shops and stuff like that. And then once we've done all of that, we're going to come home, chill out. And then I think we're going to see Mahinda and Carlian and Baby Faith. Hello.
Hello.
I drew my face on today.
Took 2 hours. So I got my
You're
little.
not supposed to tell them how long
My
it
little
takes.
doohickey. It's called an OBD11. The thing that I ordered. It came from Lithuania.
Lithuania.
Just plug this in. It's a little Bluetooth doohickey. Goes in the OBD2 port. Then connect it on your phone.
Connecting.
Shame for you iOS poo faces. You don't have it. It's only for Android. Haha. Oh yes. Make sure ignition is turned on. Turn the music off so we don't get copyright strike. So I was, while Midge was sitting there putting her face on for like 2 hours, I went through, cleared all the faults, did some stuff. If you show them there, so normally it only shows kilometers an hour down here instead of temperature, which is rubbish because we only see miles an hour. Because when you're doing like 50 on the dual carriageway, most of them are 50 around here. You can't really see 50 very clearly, and you don't want to be driving and constantly looking down, making sure you're doing 50. So you change it here using OBD11 or VCDS. There's guides online where you can put the temperature now, and this is the main thing. You can code in miles per hour. So it's in the normal multi-function display where you got range and all of that. So you can have miles an hour there now, and that works fine. So we're just at my grandparents' house in Leamington, and we were just getting showed this. So my grandma got this when she was still working, and this was her leaving present. So you can see it's obviously quite old, quite worn. She wears it like nearly every time she goes out. It's nothing fancy, but it's the fact that they gave her something. So when she left, yeah, we're just gonna cover the first name. They gave her this, and it was engraved. So she worked at the factory for 21 years, and she was saying like the long version of the story. But the short version is that they're working in the factory, and then everyone started crowding around her. She's like, what are you all doing? And then her boss was like, okay, stop working for a minute. And she was like, no, I want me to get this done. Because I think they were just towards the end, just in the production line. And then she was like, yeah, let me just do this. They're like, no, stop working. They all crowded around her, and she wouldn't stop working. So they just brought the flowers over, they brought this over, a box of like sweets, a printed certificate and all that. And it's not like now where you got Microsoft Word, it takes 2 seconds to print it. Obviously back then in 89, technology wasn't there, so they went to a lot of effort. Someone engraved this by hand, all that sort of stuff. So she was just telling us the story. I thought it'd be cool to share it with you guys. They are also very private people, so we're not gonna film them. But yeah, we're here. It's just Looks like an old people's home. It's like a typical old person home, but it's nice and cozy. And I also got another gift for my birthday. It's still a bit wet right now, so I'm not wearing it around like the collars and the bottom collar, whatever you call it. This part, still wet there. Otherwise I'll be wearing it now. So yeah, so we're just chilling. It's good to spend time with them. I showed my granddad the new Gurpreet. He used to be a mechanic for 30 to 40 years or so, and he used to work on, like, at one point he was working in the police station doing their cars as well and stuff. So he was a mechanic for years and years, so he loves looking at cars and all that sort of stuff. So it's good to bring back the memories. So I thought we were just going to go around the block, so my dad came as well. Little did we know he took us to the Sikh temple. He took us to my mum's old house as well, that they had around here, and to their old house before they lived here, I think back in the 70s or 60s or something. It was cool to see all that, and he got really excited. He was looking at the engine. He's like, oh yeah, that's the battery, there's the intake, there's cold air intake, and there's the alternator and all of that. And he's like, oh yeah, it's a powerful car. Obviously I didn't speed or anything, just taking it slow. But yeah, he got really excited. It was good to get him out of the house as well, because in winter they just relax. So it's good to take him for a spin.
Alright, so we're in the car, yeah? You guys probably can't even see this.
That guy up there indicating the Mac, the Mercedes C-Class, and a little shitty Fiesta. Not dissing Fiestas, but just the way he's driving it. And they're fully just swerving around, just overtaking everyone. Two little Asian youths.
They drove on the wrong side of the road while there was a pedestrian island in the middle of the road, just to overtake the Yaris and the
is that Yaris or Suzuki? Whatever little car it is.
Whatever that tiny little thing is, that and the bus.
Yeah.
So yeah.
They did that to us, and I moved to the left so they could get past because they were driving like idiots, and they still just went all the way across the road. I was saying record them first, but we were deep in a conversation just about everything. So it took a few seconds. What is this idiot doing now? He's jumping on it. He's on the wrong side of the road.
For fuck's sake.
What's wrong with people?
Are they just driving in the middle of the road? Oh my god, the bus as well.
This is actual trash hour or stupid hour or whatever hell we are home now. 1:45 right now, and we need to be up at like 7:38 in the morning and go to Croydon. So
show them some nice cars.
Yeah.
The wall's in the way. Sorry guys.
So we're just gonna go straight up and get in bed. So we'll see you guys bright and early in the morning, looking like even more of zombies than we do now. Bye.
Why is the light on?
Bye.
Bye.